fucking cuckoo!
I can hear him.
Want to win a free canvas? All you need to do is subscribe to the channel and type in the comments, "I want a canvas." For more information, click on the cards above.
Up the fucking cuckoo!
Measurements. With a length of 32 to 34 centimeters, wingspan 55 to 65 centimeters, weight 105 to 130 grams, with a UK population of 18,000 pairs, lifespan. There are reports that the cuckoo can live up to 15 years, but the longest official record shows that the cuckoo live in 7 years. Though there are 54 species of Old World cuckoos, just 2 live in Europe. Most live in Africa, Asia, and Australasia. The common cuckoo is the only member of family that calls cuckoo, 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 which sounds like... When is the best time to see the cuckoos in the UK? Cuckoos can be seen throughout the UK, but especially numerous in the southern and central parts of England. Adults arrive in late March or April. Adult cuckoos move back to Africa as soon as the breeding season is over, as early as the second half of June. Young cuckoos follow their parents back to Africa several weeks later, as a cuckoo spends 9 months of the year in tropical Africa, where it's never been heard to sing. Most others have loud voices but totally different calls. The earliest ever reliable record of the cuckoo in England was one at Fareham in Surrey on the 20th of February 1953. It lives in wooded and shrubbery areas. It's not comfortable in dense forests, so it usually chooses forest edges, parks, gardens, trees in fields, marshes and dunes. As I have found out, the cuckoo is a bird that stays away from people, and it does not come in sight of humans unless it has to. It often hides in treetops and bushes where it's difficult to spot.
Dora, come. Leave her alone. You stay. You tired? I'm tired. It's 3:30. We've walked up and down here twice, which is far enough for me, and apparently for Dora as well. Hey, you can sleep well tonight. You sleep well tonight, yeah, you good girl. Still waiting for this cuckoo, which hopefully will show up here. But for now, I need to rest for a couple of hours. It didn't look like, is it, Dora? Dora, there's some shade here. Under here. That's it. Got to be shade there. That's what you want. Hey, good girl. Oh, good girl.
A peculiarity of the cuckoo is its brood parasitism. They lay eggs in nests of other birds. Each season the female will lay between 12 and 22 eggs, all in different nests. Unlike most birds, females will lay their eggs in the afternoon rather than the morning. More than 120 species have been parasitised by the cuckoo in Europe. In Britain, the most favourite species are dunnocks, meadow pipits, and reed bunting. How does the cuckoo get away with laying these eggs? A female cuckoo simply lays one egg in the nest of another species, say for example a reed warbler or a dunnock, where there is already a clutch of eggs. The cuckoo's egg is nestled inconspicuously among the others. Each female lays an egg precisely patterned and coloured to mimic the egg of the nest she will victimise. I hear you ask, how does she do this? Well, within the cuckoo species there are several different types of females, each laying different types of eggs, and each victimising only the nests of that species, producing the similar coloured eggs. The different types of cuckoos that lay the different eggs are called gentes. The gentes are not different species of cuckoos, they are all the same members of species, but different types of genes that make the different types of eggs. This example is genetic polymorphism. Polymorphism is not rare in animals and plants. Our own species have them, humans, including eye colour variant and whether your earwax is wet or dry. How does the cuckoo know where to lay its eggs? This problem is overcome by imprinting. A female will imprint on the song and appearance of the foster mother. So when it comes to the cuckoo to lay its own eggs, it goes right back to a nest harbouring a female on which it's imprinted. But what about mating? Males, after all, carry their own genes. In birds, unlike mammals, it's the female who carries two different sex chromosomes, called ZZ for males and WZ for females. In human males it's XY and for females XX. It is thought that the genes from a specific egg colour and shape are carried only by the W chromosome. Then the offspring of those genes will not be mixed with any genes from the father. Low cuckoo eggs usually resemble those of their host. Around 20% are rejected, so never hatch. Why does the host feed the chick? The host can't seem to recognise the cuckoo's chick that is so different from its own, In some species of proved parasitism, like the indigo birds, the foster mother can recognize a foreign chick, so the parasite babies have evolved calls and a mouth gape patterns that mimics those of the non-parasite young. Another explanation is that a foster mother's drive to feed whatever chicks it sees in its nest outweighs everything else. There's simply no genetic variation of the foster mother to respond to an alien-looking chick. When a cuckoo egg hatches, it has incredible instincts to push out all the other eggs out of the nest, allowing it to get all the food it needs due to being such a big bird compared to its host. If you enjoyed this video, try this one, or click Car Travel Playlist to see them all. Cheers, bye!